Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Leo, why are you so quiet?
I'm thinking, are you scared?
Maybe a little.
About school?
Yes, today's my first day. Are you scared?
It's okay to feel nervous.
I felt nervous on my first day, too.
Really?
Yes, but I made friends.
I will miss you today.
I will miss you too.
What are you worried about?
What if I don't make friends?
You are friendly. Just say hello.
Say, hi, I'm Leo. Hi, I'm Leo. What if I don't understand the teacher?
Listen carefully.
And if you don't understand,
I say, can you repeat that, please?
We are proud of you.
I will try to be brave.
Oh, look at you.
What?
You look so grown up. Your hair looks nice.
I tried to do it myself.
I can see that. I'm proud of you.
I still feel nervous.
That's okay. Nervous means you care.
wow, look at our big student.
You look so serious. What if I make a mistake?
Good. That means you are learning.
Can I come to your school?
Not today. Remember, be kind. Listen carefully.
Wait, where is your lunch?
Oh no. No.
This is terrible. I forgot it.
Leo, breathe. It's just your lunch. You can fix this.
But it's my first day.
And it will still be your first day. Go get it.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetie.
There you are. Okay, now it's really ready.
See? Problem solved.
I know. I feel better now.
Are you ready, Leo?
Yes, I think so. Just come back and tell us everything.
I will. Bye.
It feels real now. Okay, step by step. It's just a normal day. Just a new place.
Good morning.
Good morning.
First day?
Yes,
New things can feel big,
they do.
but you grow into them.
Hi, are you new? What is your name? My name is Leo.
My name is Emma. Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Which grade are you in?
I'm in first grade.
Oh, me too. We can walk together.
Okay, thank you.
I see a new face today. What is your name?
My name is Leo.
Welcome, Leo.
Hi, Leo.
Hi.
Take your pencil.
Oh no! My pencil is broke.
Here, take this one.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Thank you.
It's recess.
What is recess?
We go outside and play.
Oh,
Come on.
Ready to play soccer?
Yes, I'm ready. Here I go. I got it. Yay, fun game. Kick it to me.
Okay, here it comes.
I got it.
Yay! The school bell! Time for class!
Let's go, everyone. Yay, school time. Running.
Almost there!
Fun.
this is the letter A.
A. A is for apple. Apple.
This is B.
B.
B is for ball.
Ball.
Can you say it louder?
Ball.
What letter is this?
C. C is for cat.
Cat. Very good.
It's lunchtime! Yes! I'm hungry. What do you have? A sandwich and an apple.
Yum! I have pasta.
Do you want to try? Yes, please!
You can try mine.
Thank you!
Now open your book and circle the correct answer.
Excuse me.
Yes, Leo?
Can you repeat that, please?
Of course. Open your book and circle the correct answer.
Thank you.
It's okay to ask. Let's count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job, everyone. What color is this?
Red!
What is your favorite color?
Green.
Blue.
Nice choice. What shape is this?
Circle.
Square. Very good. Good job today, everyone.
See you tomorrow, Leo.
See you, Emma.
Have a great afternoon.
Did you like your first day?
Yes, I was nervous in the morning.
But you did great.
Thank you.